Hello everyone, this is Dude, and today we have the unboxing and setup of the Home Depot 2024 LED Marionette Witch. Alright, so she's all set up. Let's get into the demo.
In the shadows I dwell, where magic music spells. In the dark of the night, I gain more power for all the fight. Now I can just put this spell right, I can reverse this cursed life.
We'll go ahead and do one more.
Sticks and stones can break my bones, but words can never hurt me? Ha! Words have turned my bones into sticks. That's what I get for getting wicked and testing spells on myself. Oh, but you look like a great test subject. Yes, come here. Would you like me to give you immortality? You can try it a few times till you get it right. Would you turn into a toad, bertha, or clock? But don't worry, it will be relatively painless for me.
So that's the Home Depot 2024 Marionette Witch. I actually stayed up to get her as well as the Frankenstein at the Home Depot drop last week. I think she's very cool. She's similar to the Bobby Strings Spirit Halloween has this year. She's also $210 cheaper. But yeah, I really like her a lot and I can't wait to put her on my display. Guys, what do you think on it?
It's pretty ham. She's cool. Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. Yeah, I can't wait to put her on my display this year. I'm glad I got her. Very good prop for $100. Everyone, thank you for watching and happy haunting.